Hello guys, I'm Jason from New Zealand. Over the years, I've watched plenty of YouTube videos on floor installation, but most are just basic DIY tips, not really professional. I run a flooring company with 12 employees, and this year alone we've installed over 50,000 square meters of flooring. We have seen it all. My videos may not have fancy editing, but they are packed with valuable lessons, step by step, detail by detail. I will teach you how to install flooring the right way, whether it's LVP flooring, laminate, SPC, hardwood, vinyl, waterproofing, and tiles. These aren't just tutorials for homeowners and DIYers. They're also geared to help you start your own flooring business. If you are serious about learning real skills and understanding how professionals handle flooring installations, I will be sharing real projects, detailed floor plans, and comparisons of various flooring options. Just subscribe to my channel and you can cancel it at any time without any hassle. You will see for yourself whether my content is worth it or not. I'll start releasing videos once we hit 50 subscribers. So if you are interested, jump on board. Once we reach that number, I will guide you through everything. As the boss of 12 employees here in New Zealand, my schedule is extremely tight. You can't imagine how busy I am. To be honest, unless I see real interest from you, I'm not willing to invest money, time, and manpower to film the entire flooring process project by project. But if you show me you are eager to learn, I will make sure to deliver the professional insights you've been looking for.